Top 3 Best Locks for Protecting Your Bike or a Bike. Number 3, ABU's StiloChain 9809. The best chain lock, the StiloChain 9809 strikes a good balance between weight and utility. Chain links might be a little harder to use with angle grinders because it's more difficult to hold the chain steady. They're also more flexible than a U-lock and easier to maneuver on a crowded bike rack. It's 4.5 feet long and 6.8 pounds, while also being pretty secure, with 9mm thick square chain links. Like all bike chains these days, the links are wrapped in fabric to keep the metal pieces from scratching your bike's paint or finish. Coming in number 2, ABU's Granite X Plus 540, the strongest security. The Granite X Plus 540 is pricey, but if you have an expensive bike, or you just love it a lot, you should consider this top-end model. Both ends of the U-bar lock into the cylinder, so a thief would need to grind through the lock twice, once on either side of the top curve, thus doubling their time spent hunched over a wailing angle grinder. The ABU's metal bars are 13mm thick compared to our previous top pick, the 16mm thick Kryptonite New York, but the ABU's mounting bracket is more solid since it relies on screws to grip the bike's frame tight, rather than the Kryptonite's slip-prone fabric straps. The ABU's is also lighter at 3.3 pounds, versus the Kryptonite's 4.5 pounds. Coming in number 1, Kryptonite Kryptolock Standard, the best affordable lock. The Kryptolock's U-bar isn't quite as thick as my other favorite locks, which means it wouldn't take as long for a thief to cut through it, but it's almost as secure. For $35, it's a great deal for a U-lock, which is my favorite type of bike lock, and at only 2.9 pounds it's also relatively lightweight. It comes with Kryptonite's Transit Flex frame bracket, which lets you mount the lock to your bike's frame for easy transportation around town. I'm not a fan of the fabric mounting straps, as they can loosen over time, but at this low price any mounting bracket is welcome. Most of the more affordable locks don't come with one at all.